Hello dear, welcome to Risomara TV. In today's video we are going to be talking about how to tie scarf on your head, like the different styles of tying scarves on your head. I don't know if this hair will allow me to do this video, but even if it does it, I'm going to pull it off just to show you how to tie scarf on your head. So if this is something you are interested in, then you definitely need to watch till the end. But before we continue, please like this video so that the algorithm can push it to other people that needs the same information, and also subscribe so that you can be getting information anytime I post videos just like this one. Like I said earlier, I don't know if this hair will allow me to do what I want to do, but let's try. If it doesn't work, we'll lose the hair. Hey, Jesus. Okay, now this thing is giving is and why look. I actually, cause basically everybody won't be carrying this kind of hair and would want to do a video with it. So I think I will just lose it.